Hogs, and today we're gonna do an unboxing from Jason from Beyond Genetics. Now time for the unboxing. So we have to take this off. We already opened it to make sure she was doing well. That's why there's no ice packs in here. So now we're gonna see what she looks like. She is a super Arctic? No, just an Arctic. Arctic Conda? Or Arctic regular?
Arctic Conda.
Arctic Conda. She is really tiny. Let's see if she'll let us show her. Let us see her belly. It's like solid black with some little tiny spots. She's kind of cold. And she's really pretty. Always trying to dig into your skin. Woo. Now we're gonna put her in a cage. See? I'm gonna put her right here. See where she goes. Right for the hide.
So this right here is Blaze. We also got him from Jason at Beyond Genetics about a year ago. Man, and is he a fantastic snake. He's been eating very well. He doesn't hiss a lot. He doesn't bluff strike. A very cool, very chill snake. One of our larger snakes. He is just fantastic. I can't say enough good things about this snake as well as Jason over at Beyond Genetics. Fantastic snakes I've gotten from him so far.
Are you hungry? That's your head. I don't think she's hungry right now. Oh. I don't think she's hungry.
So as I was saying with Blaze, you know, he ate straight out of the box basically, and so does this snake here. My daughter named her Caramel. So we've had her for maybe an hour, and she's already taken her first meal. No stress, no problems, no bluff striking. Again, another fantastic snake from Jason. We're gonna keep getting more snakes from him for sure.